All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold. Today is Friday, and then we are going to go over what we have done over the weekend with some analysis. All right. And interestingly enough, we have done so much work. We did so much. Guys, if you can hear me, please type 111, and if you can see my screen, type 222. All right. If it is your first time in here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live or I drop a new video, you will be notified immediately. By the way, my name is Dr. Mola, and I'm your chief analyst for today. All right, let's go on. So, yes, we're starting with the gold assets. Yesterday we had, guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, type 111. If you can see my screen, type 222. Yesterday we had our outdoor live trading session, and it was very, very good. Very, very good. All right. Yes, we made a lot of profits on our first outdoor live trading session. Guys, if you can hear me, type 111, and if you can see my screen, type 222. All right, 111, it means that you can hear me live and clear. All right, so we had our first outdoor session. Yes, Emilia, yesterday I didn't see you on the live. I didn't see you, but I know you saw me and you made some money as well. In fact, cheers to you. All right. All right. Guys, don't forget to hit the love emoji as many times as you can. Just be hitting it as many times as you can. All right. Just keep hitting as many times as you can so that you would give me a lot of likes. All right. Good. Now let's go on. Now we're going to real business. Real business. Fast. So we started with a week buying gold. That's how we started our week. We started our week buying gold. So we were somewhere here where I actually called. Yes, I can see the love coming in. Yes, I can see that. Thank you, guys. Thanks so much, guys. All right. So we had this move, which was a free trade. I called, but I didn't give a signal on that. But I called the buy right from here. All right. I think here. And then it made, yes. And then I called another one. So we had this one. And then when we were sleeping, the trade moved again. So we have double buys. But in a VIP, we had other buy here. We had other buys here. And I think the last one, which we carried over the night, and it was so great and interesting, took us all the way to the upside. It was so fun. Then we had the next day, which I resume it as an off day. Why? Because gold was not in proper move, all right, or in proper sync. That's what I was saying. So, and that day also I wasn't feeling well, so I didn't call any trade as well. We had this fine drop, and then I call this trade for you guys a sell. I call this one also a sell. And then yesterday was our live session. We missed out on this sell, but we didn't miss out on, I think, this one and that one. We didn't miss out on them. We didn't miss out on this as well. We didn't miss out on this. We had this and we have that, right? So it was so, no, okay. This was not part. I did not call this. So I called this, I called that, I called this, I called that, I called that. So the trades were so much. And I also gave the signal on we being in a likely reversal zone, that price can start going to the upside. All right. Yes. Nazi says, good morning, King of Gold. Nazi, good morning. Greetings, Doc. That is from Peter Louise. And then Eric says 111222. Yvonne says, good morning. And she gave me some cheering emojis. Tunde, my friend from Nigeria, says, can we have live sections in Nigeria? Yes, 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 yes. The live session actually is something that has come to stay. Yes, I told you guys that once the channel reach the 2K mark, I'm going to come live and trade with you openly. All right, I won't be in my office or in my studio to trade with you guys. No, I won't do that. I would come live. You see me, we have fun, we trade, we eat together, we drink together, we learn. Yes, yesterday a lot of learning also took place. A lot of it, a lot. So if you didn't join the live session, you missed out a lot. All right. So that is basically it. And the next session, also is going to be in Accra. Once we reach, I think, the 100K mark, the 10K mark, we would add West Africa. All right. So if the members should all grow to 10K, okay, we would add West Africa. Any West African country, we would come select in the polls, and then I would be packing my bags to that particular country. Yes, to that particular country. When we get to the 100K mark, I would take the whole world. Any country that wins, yes, I'm coming there and trading live with you. We're making the money together, and then we're cashing it out. All right. So please don't forget to support MolarGold. Share the links, share the links, share the links, and share the links. Okay. Please don't forget and share the links to family and friends. Tell somebody about Dr. Molar. All right. So we have this plan. So yesterday we took some trades off. Almost all everything was off yesterday. Before we left, we closed out totally. And this morning, I can see that the buy already had started. Okay. But we would plan a sell attack. So we are going to attack the market in the sell direction. We are going to attack the market in the sell direction unless something changes. Okay, unless something changes. But for now, I think we should attack the market in the sell direction. I have seen something like this happening. All right, so we should attack the market in the sell direction, and that is what we will be doing. So the signals that will be coming in very, very shortly in the free channel and in the VIP, you are going to have a lot of these things. All right, good guys. Okay. Yvonne says, Doc, we need you in Kenya. I will be in Kenya. I will be in Kenya too as well. In fact, guys, if you need me in a country, you have to just support the work. You have to support the movement. All about sharing the links. The number, if the number grows, then we know that, okay, at least when we get into a country, we would have 20 or 30 people receiving us. All right. Yes, we cannot come to a country where we only have one person receiving us. It's not going to be very nice. Okay, so at least we should have some people receiving us. That is why the channel needs to grow. Once the channel is growing, then we have the momentum of coming to other countries. All right, now let's get into the analysis. So this week it has been profit on profit on profit on profit on profit. Okay, yes, it's just profit all round. Profit all round. We have made so much money. Let's go to the higher time frames and check what exactly is happening in there. Okay, so this is the higher time frame. Let me mute this guy. Perfect. So yes, we are getting into the areas where we expect some sales to happen in the market, unless something changes. If something changes, let's say we break through this like this, and then we did a correction like this, then we would then say, okay, market is going to the upside. All right, and if that happens, that will fall into our second alternative. All right, remember I told you guys that this can be with one, that can be with two, and then it goes like that. All right, so it's going to be like that. That is this with five that we have ended. All right, we just have a correction of it, and that is with one, and this with two, and we are moving all the way up of the same degree of this. All right, that's basically what should happen. Okay, yeah, that is the move. If that does not happen, and then we have a correction down here, we have first of all we move like this, we impulse, and then we get a correction. Then we are interested in these two as sell, and then market should continue the down momentum. Okay, and that will be looking more like correction for more up move. That is this thing going all the way to the upside like this. Okay, so we are not rushing. Those that came to the live trading session got to know that patience is key. Yes, we don't rush on the market. Don't rush at all. All right, don't rush at all. Edwin says Telegram link for free channel, please. All right, so let me send to Evans, then Evans sends to you in the channel. All right, so let's go for it. Let me do this quickly before. Let me do this quickly. The channel is actually on private. It's on private. Okay, so you can't have the link, but I have to give you a customized link so that you can use it. So Evans, you can share this for me. All right, yes, guys, so that is that for gold. We should expect gold doing this move, which I'm interested. This is what I'm interested. I'm interested in them doing something like this, and then they give us a correction like that. All right, we start selling again. This is what I'm interested in. But don't forget, once we breach this level like this, and then we get a correction, then we're going more up. All right, this is highly possible. It's very possible. All right, yeah. Ivan says, good morning, doc. Elohim bless you a lot. As always, much grateful. All right, Evans, I've just sent you a link in your WhatsApp. Please share the link in the live session for me, please. All right, so guys, that is that for gold. That is that. I know some of you have questions. Some of you have other things to say. If you think that gold is going to sell, you can also tell me your thoughts, your trade ideas, what you think in the comment section. And if you also think that gold will continue the bullish move, give us this correction and up move, you can also share your thoughts in the comment section. All right. Okay, guys. At this point, the person, I think I shared the link with Evans. Let me share the link again with. I want the link to be shared quickly. I want the link to be shared quickly before I end the session. I want the link to be shared quickly before I end the session. All right. Yes. So I've sent to Akins2 as well to share the link. Okay. So no, even share it in the Telegram. I'm sorry, in the YouTube session. All right. Share the link in the YouTube session. All right. So Max Jr. says, boss, late but active. Be blessed. All right, Max. Same to you. Also be blessed. All right. So, guys, it seems like gold is heading into the areas where we don't want it to go. And if that happens, it should be a buy gold, a continuation of the move. All right, a continuation of the move. So here now we should get a correction because this is impulsive. They should give us a correction, and then we impulse back into the top. Okay, gold for now can do anything, right? Because this is a pure correction, ABC correction. You can see clearly ABC correction, and that is an impulsive move with 1, with 2, and then it goes like that. Okay, so now we can just get a correction like this, and then we go back up. That is possible, right? So all that we need to do is be patient, keep watching, and then we can strike. That is how you trade as a good trader. All right, guys. My name is Dr. Mola, and it's nice having you all here. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if today is your first time. All right? And then tell somebody about Dr. Mola and MolarGold. Bye for now, guys.